Hello all, this is Tashoma. Today we'll discuss about management of patients with burns. The objective of this lesson is we have to describe the cause of burns. We have to explain the classification of burns. The last one is we have to be able to calculate the amount of food for resuscitation for a patient with burn. Burn can be happen or caused when energy transfer from his source to the body, and this can be categorized as a thermal types of burns, can be electrical, can be radiation, or chemical burns. Tissue destruction result is when coagulation can be occur, when protein denutrition, and thirdly due to ionization of cellular contents. Thermal burn is caused by flame or by flash or when contact with hot objects. What commonly we call that is scald types of burns. And this is common types of burns, particularly in children. Chemical burns when our body is contact with acid or bases, and acid is one of the most common cause of chemical burns. The other types of burn injury is smoke inhalation injuries. This is resulted when we inhale hot aires or noxious chemicals. Classification of burns. Burn can be classified depending on the tissue involved and the injury, or depending on the depth of tissue injury. We classify into three. One is superficial partial thickness injuries, first degree, or what called as first degree burn, deep partial thickness injury, second degree burn. The third one is full thickness injury, or what called is third degree burn. Let us see each by each. Superficial partial thickness injury is, we can say that when the epidermis is destroyed. So in this case, only epidermis involved. Is very painful, as the characteristics of wound is it appear red and dry. Deep partial thickness injury is, we can say when epidermis and upper layer of dermis will be destroyed, and sometimes the deep layer of dermis may be involved. So this can involve epidermis in the layers, and the wound appear red, and it have also exuded fluids. Heat follicle remain intact during this, and the wound it take longer time to heal, and more likely it result in hypertrophic scars. Full thickness injury. This is involves or include total destruction of epidermis and dermis. When totally this two layers is destructed, we call that full thickness injuries. And the wound range, color range can be from white to red or brown or black. And these types of wound, also these types of burn, it is painless because of nerve fiber is destroyed. The wound appears lasery. Hair follicles in the sweat gland also destroyed in these types of burn injury. How we calculate a fluid a patient with a burn? There are different formulas. One of the formula is Parkland formula. So Ringer lactate solution or normal saline 4 ml times the kg of body weight times total body surface area burned. So by calculating by using this formula, half of the fluid will be given in the first 8 hours, and have to be given over next 16 hours. Another management of wound is, we have to prevent infection, we have to clean the wound, and we have to also administer antibiotic. And also pain management is very important, particularly in the second and the first degree burn, because it's very painful. So I have to administer anti-pain, such as opioid, several drug in combination with the drug or morphine. So we have to administer to prevent the pain, So this is all about for today. Thank you very much.